Allen here for our Year 3 presentation assembly. It's our final presentation assembly of 2020. It's obviously, as you can see, Friday the 18th of December, the last day of term, and we are awarding certificates to all those children who've been working super hard this term. And if it isn't you, don't worry. Spring term, copy these children. Who knows, it could be you getting certificates at the next presentation assembly. But we're going to kick off, obviously. We've got Daniel here, we've got our house captains who are going to help me in calling out the names of those children who've earned themselves certificates. We're going to start with our English stars in Year 3. Daniel, who are our 4 certificate winners, please?
Mandy, Oscar, Milana and Thea.
Brilliant. Mandy, Oscar, Milana and Thea. Well done, you 4. Absolute superstars. Working so hard throughout in English, so really proud of you guys. Keep it up. Keep up working hard over Christmas as well. Keep doing lots of writing, lots of reading. Keep it going, because when you hit the ground in January, you'll be running and you'll be working just as well as you are now. So please do keep it up. And well done to all 4 of you. Thank you, thank you. Moving on, let's get our math stars up. So we'll start with our math stars. Now, Ella's going to come and help with these children who've been working so hard on their mathematic mastery. And the way some of them have been setting out their maths is fairly phenomenal. So really, really well done. But over to Ella to announce our 4 certificate winners.
Max, Natas, Jessica, Alaya.
There it is. Max, Natas, Jessica and Alaya. You superstars, well done. Look at the big smiles on their faces as well. You see Alaya, look at the math. You can just see it. Some amazing maths going on there. So really, really well done, guys. Huge congratulations. Keep it up again. Keep doing maths over Christmas. You know, it'll keep you going up. Keep doing your times tables. That's the key. If you keep doing that alone, that will set you up ready for January. So well done, you 4. Look after these certificates. Put them in pride of place, up on your mantelpieces, because you deserve it over this Christmas period. Really, really well done, all 4 of you. Thank you, Ella. Moving on, our science stars, our scientists now. These children have been working so hard scientifically throughout this term, and we need to be giving these certificates to these amazing children. Go on, Daniel.
Fiona, Lila, Eric and Byron.
Brilliant. Fiona, Lila, Jade, Eric and Byron. You scientists working super hard scientifically throughout. Well done. Keep asking the why, the where, the what. Keep doing that. We need more scientists. We need to help out. Pandemics that are going on at present. So go on, carry on. We need more scientists in this world to help us with all these future problems that we're going to have. So really well done. Keep asking the why, the where and the what. And who knows? You can have a career in science. So well done, you 4. Huge congratulations. Proud of you all. Thank you, Dan. Thank you. Moving on. History stars. Our historians, finding out where we come from and why we are what we are today and why we do what we do today as well. So lots and lots of things back in history that mean we get to do what we do now. And these children have been working really hard in history this term. And they are
Cages, Heather, Joseph and Ruby.
Caius, Heather Rose, Joseph and Ruby. Well done, you 4. Well done, you historians. It's fantastic. Learning all about our history, finding out exactly why we got what we got and where we are. So well done, all 4 of you. Proud of you. Keep those certificates safe. Keep working really historically as well. Because actually with that as well, it's the way you're presenting that. Your illustrations, the writing, it is beautiful. Keep it up, all 4 of you. Thank you and well done. We go, reading stars. Now, Mr. Allen's got some reading books. These children who receive these are reading every single day. I know I'm always asking, can you please read at least 5 times a week? These children are reading every single day, twice a day. It is amazing. They really do deserve. Not only have they got certificates, but they've got lovely reading books to take home and carry on reading over Christmas. Please, if there's one thing you do over Christmas, just keep reading. Read every day. Keep filling in your reading records. Because again, in January, you'll hit the ground running and you'll be up to speed. You won't have to catch up because you'll be doing so much reading. So really well done. 4 children are, here they are. Mia, with bombs and blackberries. Really well done, Mia. Bailey, Flying Fergus. Fantastic book. Well done, Bailey. Chiquisha, Oliver Twist. It's a great book. Please, sir, can I have some more? Absolutely. Chiquisha keeps saying that about her learning. Well done, Chiquisha. And Diego. Well done, Diego. Karate Countdown. Some fantastic books for you 4. Really, really well done. I'm so proud of you all. Honestly, that is so impressive. Keep up the reading. You've got something to read now as well over Christmas. Please do enjoy it. Put those certificates pride of place on the mantelpiece. keep reading over Christmas. That goes for everyone as well. So, but well done, you four. Enjoy your books. They're coming home with you today. Moving on, we have then our house points. These are the children who've been working hard, and the house captains are really holding on close to find out who wins the Keene Cup and who holds on to this trophy for this term. These children in year 3, you will see, are the top 3 in each class. Multiply the total number of house points got by 5, and you'll see how many merits they have earned this term. It is fairly phenomenal. Let's have a look at those classes now, and we'll see in 3rd place in Miss White's class, you'll see Milana, 23 house points. Amazing. Milana, another Milana, 20. You've got to be Milana to get your house points. Milana, 24. And top, and just top, you'll see Lexi on 20. Look how close that is. 23, 24, 26. Give those 3 a round of applause in class. Really well done to those 3 girls. Amazing number of house points. Well done, girls. Proud of you. Moving on, Mr. Ackermans, we have Thea. 58 house points, no less. Look at that. Thea, no wonder she's smiling. I'd be smiling. In 2nd place, Beren, just ahead on 59. And in 1st place, Alfie Jack on 60. Wow, we give those 3 a huge round of applause. What a massive amount of house points. And actually, they are working so hard, those 3. What we do, we take all those house points, add them all up, put them together, and find out which house is holding on to the Keene Cup. And you will see, congratulations goes to Holcomb! Crowds go wild, yes! Well done, Holcomb. Well done, house captains will be holding on to this. Well done, you deserve that this term. You worked so hard. Well done, Holcomb, you superstars. But Sandringham, Blickling, Felbrigg, don't give up. It's really close. There's not even a house point in it between all 4 houses. So keep trying as hard as you can. Remember, Felbrigg won it this first half term. Now Holcomb are holding on to it for the end of term. So really well done, everyone in Holcomb. Give them a round of applause. Congratulations. And well done to everyone for keep earning your merits and keep earning your house points. Really proud of you. Keep it up in the spring term. Moving on, we have got our attendance league, the Bremner Shield. This is what we've all been working towards. Throughout this term, all the classes have been working towards seeing who gets the Bremner Shield for the best attendance this term. We are finally there, and we have our attendance league completed with all of our 14 classes throughout school just to see where they are. And we're going to see who's holding on to the shield at the end of this term and who we need to congratulate and who those children are. So let's have a little look and a quick run through from 14th place, Miss Barrett. In 13th place, we've got Mr. Pinner. In 12th place, Mr. Ackerman. In 11th, Miss White. In 10th, Miss Arthurton. In 9th, Mr. Davidson. In joint 7th is Miss Musselwhite and Miss Percy. Now, just pause it there, because actually, as you'll see, they're all Key Stage 2 classes. There's not a Key Stage 1 or reception class in amongst it. So that tells you that all 6 classes in the top 6 are either in Year 1, Year 2 or reception. So, I hope you're sitting there, eager anticipation for those classes. Let's find out. In 6th place, Miss Begum, Year 1. In 5th place, Miss Howkins, Year 2, brilliant. In 4th place, Miss Hall, superb. So the top 3, here we go. In 3rd place, Mrs. Cook, well done Mrs. Cook, 3rd place. Fantastic effort there. That's probably your best finish so far with Year 2s. Well done. In 2nd place, Miss Marshall, Year 1. Which, drum roll please everyone. In 1st place, look, Miss Arnold, a reception class. Come on, the first time ever a reception class have held on to the attendance league for a term. That is amazing. All reception Year 1s, Year 2s. This has been an amazing term for those children. Thank you, parents. Thank you for getting your children in. Well done to, look at that, Turtle class. You absolute superstars. You are the winners of the attendance league. Huge congratulations to you. I'll be bringing this round to your class. You keep that in class throughout next term and hopefully keep it up in the spring term. Really well done. Well done to everyone. Thank you, parents, for continuing to support us and getting your children to school. This has been the best term attendance for Marcross Primary School we have had. So really well done. Thank you so much. Right, moving on. Obviously, we have got our Christmas holidays are upon us. We break up this afternoon at 3:15 and the children are back to school on Monday the 4th of January, and as you can see, gates will be open at 8:30. My final message, thank you parents for all of your support throughout this term. We could not have got through this term without it. We really could not. I am constantly asking you all to stay home, protect Marcross, help keep school open. I'm still sending that message over and out at Christmas, please. It's really important. COVID hasn't gone away. It's still with us. Yes, we do want to visit our loved ones and our families. Please be careful over this period and this time. These are the times where I want to get back in January. We can continue being open, staying fully open, and looking out for the whole community of Marcross. So please, let's keep this concerted effort. We've got to today by doing that, by all keeping safe. So thank you all so much, because in the long run, it will benefit your children. Your children are loving coming to school. They're making progress. They're earning themselves certificates. So please, let's keep it up. Have a safe Christmas holiday, and until January 2021, see you all soon. Bye-bye now.